Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by adding a speaking control so you can hear your text immediately. Open your document, then click the small drop-down on the Quick Access toolbar and choose More Commands. Once done, pick All Commands and add Speak. Select a sentence or paragraph. That selection tells Word what to read. This is faster than navigating menus each time, and it helps you catch rhythm, tone, and errors while editing. Make sure microphone or speakers are ready so you can hear playback clearly. Next, use Read Aloud for more control over voice and pace. Go to the Review tab and tap Read Aloud. A small toolbar appears letting you choose voice and change speed. Once done selecting your preferences, press play and listen while following along in the document. Word highlights words as it reads so you see pacing and misplacements. If you prefer a quick repeat, use the jump back and forward buttons. And remember, keyboard shortcuts speed up the process during iterative editing. Finish by using pause and stop to edit problematic lines, then rerun Read Aloud to confirm corrections. Once done, you can export or share a proof document knowing it's been orally checked. If the voice sounds off or missing, make sure your Windows speech voice is configured in Settings Time and Language Speech, and confirm your speakers are set as default. Troubleshooting tip: if no sound plays, update Office and reinstall speech components. Then restart Word and retry. This resolves most audio failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.